Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to take a loan from Ring app. So in order to get loan from Ring app, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Due to some security concern, I won't be able to show you the procedure, so I'm just gonna instruct you. Make sure to follow the instruction as guided. So the Ring app is primarily known as a mobile payment service. Now if they have introduced a feature for taking loans within their app since then, the specific steps for doing it would be the following step. First of all, launch the Ring Pay app on your smartphone. Then look for the section or options within the app menu specifically related to loans or borrowing money. This section may be labeled as loan, borrow, or something similar. And before proceeding, carefully review the terms and conditions associated with taking a loan through the Ring app itself. And this include details such as interest rate, repayment terms, and any fees involved. And if you agree to the terms, follow the prompt within the app to submit your loan application. And you may need to provide personal and financial information as part of the application process. And after submitting your loan application, you'll need to wait for approval from the Ring payment. And this process may include some time depending on the internal procedure and all that. And if your loan application is approved, the funds will typically be deposited directly into your linked bank account or Ring payment or Ring wallet whatsoever. And once you've received the funds, make sure to adhere to the repayment schedule outlined in your local agreement. And this may involve making regular payment over a specified period until the loan is fully paid. So by following this step, you should be able to get or take loan from Ring app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.